Now the figure below consists of a square which is here and an equilateral triangle which is here. Okay, do not confuse the big triangle which is the equilateral triangle with this small triangle. This small triangle is part of this square, so it's not counted. So the equilateral triangle will be this big triangle. Now they mentioned that it's an equilateral triangle. So remember what you understand from equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, meaning that all the angles are the same, which is 60. Which means that this entire thing is 60 degrees. And this one is 60, and this one is 60. Now the question is asking for x. How do you find x? Let's try to strategize. If they want to find x, I have to have this angle which I have already, and then I need to have this angle. And then since the angle at a point, the total angle altogether will become 360, I will take 360 minus this and minus this, I'll be able to get x. So how do you find this one? So this is a square. If you remember what your teacher taught you, right, the diagonals, which is here to here, right, will split this 90 degrees into half. Meaning that this angle will be 90 degrees divided by 2, giving us 45 degrees. Okay, therefore this will be 45 degrees. So if you want to find x, you just have to take 360 degrees minus this 60 and minus this 45, you'll be able to get the answer. Therefore, x is 360 minus 60 minus 45, and throw that inside a calculator, you're going to get 255 degrees. And the reasoning you're going to use is angle at a point. Okay, because angle at a point gives 360 degrees. So remember, do not forget the reasoning as well. Alright, done.